Islam won and Muslims lost. How did Islam win? When the Prophet ﷺ commanded the Sahaba to stand on top of that hill of Uhud and nobody move, no matter what. When they moved, when they saw the spoils and left their positions, that's when they were defeated. They were defeated when they disobeyed Rasulullah. That was the message to the Ummah. The moment the Ummah disobeys Rasulullah ﷺ, the loss comes. When the Sahabas were being tortured in the early times of Islam, and when they were being ripped apart and cut into pieces and tortured in many ways and burnt, they went to the Prophet ﷺ, قالوا يا رسول الله استنصر لنا, please bring us victory. What did he tell them? إنكم لتستعجلون, you're hastening. Because if victory came quickly, you will forget Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala just as quickly.